Since the last 20th century, video games have been a staple hobby for children and adults alike. By the 2000s, however, it has also entered the mainstream for professional players. Esports, an abbreviation of electronic sports, became the encompassing label for organized video game competitions to this day. So what are some of the best-selling games so far? Well, this is Nico Fugatech, and here are the 20 best-selling video games in the past 20 years. First up on the list, we have Minecraft. Released in 2009 for PC and 2011 for console, Minecraft has sold over more than 238 million copies as of 2021. Available on Xbox, PlayStation, Nintendo Switch, new Nintendo 3DS, iOS, Android, Windows, Windows Phone, macOS, Linux, Raspberry Pi, and Fire OS, Minecraft allows players to get crafty and use the surrounding environment to gather building materials. See how breaking down trees can help create something new. It is always best to avoid the unpredictable by distancing yourself from wandering mobs. You never know what will happen if they got too close. Next up, we have Grand Theft Auto 5. A staple to the gaming world, GTA 5 has been released on multiple platforms in multiple generations. Originally released in 2013, the game has sold over 165 million copies as of 2022. The game takes us back to Los Santos, when a young street hustler, a retired bank robber, and a terrifying psychopath find themselves entangled with some of the most frightening and deranged elements of the criminal underworld, the US government, and the entertainment industry. With that, they must pull off a series of dangerous heists to survive in a ruthless city in which they can trust nobody, least of all, each other. Number 3, Tetris EA. A gaming classic with sales over 100 million copies, it's no surprise that it's on the list. Tetris EA released back in 2005 and 2006 on iOS, Android, BlackBerry OS, PlayStation, and Windows Phone. Create the perfect strategy and keep your lines clear with endless Tetramino action. Choose between original swipe and one-touch controls in the traditional Tetris mode. EA officially retired its Tetris game as of 2020. Number 4 on the list is Wii Sports. Bundled with the Wii Sports introduces a whole new way to play your game. This is what videos should be. Fun for everyone. Released in 2006, Wii Sports has sold over 82 million as of 2022. Wii Sports offers 5 distinct sports experiences, each using the Wii remote controller to provide a natural, intuitive, and realistic feel. To play a Wii Sports game, all you need to do is pick up a controller, get ready for the pitch, serve, or that right hook. If you've played any of these sports before, you're ready for some fun. Up next, we have PUBG Battlegrounds. One of the OG Battle Royales, PUBG Battlegrounds released back in 2017 on almost every platform, totaling the number of sales to over 75 million copies as of 2021. Land on strategic locations, loot weapons, supplies, and survive to become the last team standing across various diverse battlegrounds. Squad up and join the battlegrounds for the original Battle Royale experience that only PUBG Battlegrounds can offer. For number 6, we have Mario Kart 8 and Mario Kart 8 Deluxe. Arguably the best Mario Kart so far, Mario Kart 8 and Mario Kart 8 Deluxe has collected over 53 million copies of sale, easily making it onto this list. And not only that, but it is also the most selling game on the Nintendo Switch, despite it originally releasing on the Wii U in 2014. Hit the road with the definitive version of Mario Kart 8 and play anytime, anywhere. Race your friends or battle them in a revised battle mode on new and returning battle courses. Play locally in up to 4-player multiplayer in 1080p while playing in TV mode. Every track from the Wii U version, including DLC, makes a glorious return. Plus, the Inklings from Splatoon appear as well as all new guest characters, along with returning favorites such as King Boo, Dry Bones, and Bowser Jr. 7th, we have Red Dead Redemption 2. America, 1899. The end of the Wild West era has begun. After a robbery goes badly wrong in the western town of Blackwater, Arthur Morgan and the Vanderlyn gang are forced to flee. With federal agents and the best bounty hunters in the nation massing on their heels, the gang must rob, steal, and fight their way across the rugged heartland of America in order to survive. As deepening internal divisions threaten to tear the gang apart, Arthur must make a choice between his own ideals and loyalty to the gang who raised him. Released on Xbox, PlayStation, Windows, and Stadia in 2018, Red Dead Redemption 2 easily made the list, reaching 44 million copies sold as of 2022. Another Wii game makes the list, with Wii Fit and Wii Fit Plus. The hit combination of Wii Sports and the Wii Remote brought golf swings and tennis serves into people's homes. Now Nintendo turns the living room into a fitness center for the whole family with Wii Fit and the Wii Balance Board. Both Wii Fit and Wii Fit Plus released on the Wii in 2007 and 2009 respectively. They both had a combined total sale of 43,800,000 copies sold as of 2022. Family members will have fun getting a core workout and talking about and comparing their results and progress on a new channel in the Wii menu. Number 9. The Witcher 3 Wild Hunt. Originally released in 2015, The Witcher 3 Wild Hunt is a story-driven open-world RPG set in a visually stunning fantasy universe, full of meaningful choices and impactful consequences. Totaling the amount of sales to over 40 million as of 2022, the game was made available to play on Xbox, PlayStation, Nintendo Switch, and Windows. In The Witcher, you play as a professional monster hunter, Geralt of Rivia, tasked with finding a child of prophecy in a vast open world rich with merchant cities, pirate islands, dangerous mountain passes, and forgotten caverns to explore. The 10th in this spot is Animal Crossing: New Horizons. Taking the world by storm in 2020, the fact that Animal Crossing was able to reach 38 million copies sold in 2 years is phenomenal. Nook Inc. invites you to create your own personal island paradise on a deserted island brimming with possibility. Collect bugs, decorate your paradise throughout the day, or enjoy a sunset on the beach while fishing in the ocean. Craft everything from tools to creature comforts as you create and customize your island community. Show off your island utopia to family and friends, or pack your bags and visit theirs. For lucky number 11, we have Mario Kart Wii. Another Wii game on this list, and definitely not the last, Mario Kart Wii was released back in 2008 and reached more than 37 million copies sold as of 2022. Get behind the wheel. Perform speed-boosting flips and wheelies with the flick of a Wii Remote, or grab a Wii Wheel for even more fast-paced fun. Play friends locally on a single Wii, or hop onto Nintendo WFC for the biggest worldwide race yet. Number 12, Terraria. The very world is at your fingertips as you fight for survival, fortune, and glory. Delve deep into cavernous expanses, seek out ever greater foes to test your mettle in combat, or construct your own city. Released on every platform in 2011, Terraria has sold more than 35 million copies so far as of 2022. In the world of Terraria, the choice is yours, blending elements of classic action games with the freedom of sandbox-style creativity. Terraria is a unique gaming experience where both the journey and the destination are as unique as the players themselves. For number 13, we have Wii Sports Resort. Set off on a journey to a tropical island where an array of fun activities await. Released in 2009, Wii Sports Resort as of 2022 has sold over 33 million copies. It's no surprise that Wii games have constantly broken records, as the Wii is the 7th in all-time console sales. Wii Sports Resort, the sequel to the engaging Wii Sports, will discover a wide range of new sports and activities you can play anytime. Go head-to-head with your friends and family in the ultimate sports showdown set in a tropical paradise. Number 14, New Super Mario Bros. It's a me, Mario. A classic storyline. Bowser and Bowser Jr. have kidnapped Princess Peach again, and only Mario and you can save her. New Super Mario Bros. Originally released on DS in 2006 and eventually saw its way to the Wii U. As of 2022, it has sold over 30 million copies. In typical Mario fashion, you'll find classic power-ups like the Super Mushroom and the Fire Flower in the game, as well as some all-new ones that let Mario explore the Mushroom Kingdom like never before. New Super Mario Bros. Expands Mario's arsenal of moves to include some very powerful advanced techniques. If you want to uncover every secret in the game, you'll have to master them all. As for number 15, we have New Super Mario Bros. Wii. The last Mario game to make it on the list, New Super Mario Bros. Wii released in 2009, reaching over 30 million copies sold as of 2022. Developers at Nintendo have dreamed of creating a simultaneous multiplayer Super Mario Bros. Game for decades. The Wii console finally makes that dream come true for everyone, with New Super Mario Bros. Wii. Supporting 2 to 4 players in side-scrolling co-op and competitive platforming action, and featuring a mix of fan favorites and new characters, new power-ups and various input options via the Wii Remote. It is destined to become an instant classic and one of the most beloved game franchises of all time. Number 16, Diablo 3. 20 years have passed since the prime evils were defeated and banished from the world of Sanctuary. Now, you must return to where it all began, the town of Tristram, and investigate rumors of a fallen star. for this is the first sign of evil's rebirth and an omen that the end times have begun. Diablo 3 is the award-winning genre-defining action RPG set in Sanctuary, a world ravaged by eternal conflict. Diablo 3 released in 2012 on Xbox, PlayStation, Windows, macOS, and ported to the Nintendo Switch. As of 2015, it had reached over 30 million copies sold. With number 17, we have the return of the Dragonborn with Elder Scrolls V Skyrim. The fifth chapter in the highly anticipated Elder Scrolls saga, Skyrim released in 2011 in almost all platforms and has had numerous re-releases since then, totaling the number of copies sold to over 30 million as of 2016. Dragons, long lost to the passages of the Elder Scrolls, have returned to Tamriel, and the future of the Empire hangs in the balance. As Dragonborn, the prophesized hero born with the power of the voice, you are the only one who can stand amongst them. Developed by Bethesda, Skyrim reimagines and revolutionizes the open-world fantasy epic, bringing to life a complete virtual world open for you to explore any way you choose. For number 18, we have the only FPS game to make the list, and that's Call of Duty Modern Warfare. One of the classic FPS games out there, Call of Duty Modern Warfare has sold over 30 million copies since its release in 2019 to Xbox, PlayStation, and Windows. The stakes have never been higher, as players take up the role of lethal Tier 1 operators in a heart-racing saga that will affect the global balance of power. Call of Duty Modern Warfare engulfs fans in an incredibly raw, gritty, provocative narrative that brings unrivaled intensity and shines a light on the changing nature of modern war. Bet you didn't expect this one on the list, because for number 19, we have Human Fall Flat. Human Fall Flat is a hilarious, light-hearted physics platformer set in floating dreamscapes that can be played solo or up to 4 players. With over 30 million copies sold since its release in 2016, we have seen this game release on most major platforms. Free new levels keep its vibrant community rewarded. Each dream level provides a new environment to navigate, from mansions, castles, and Aztec adventures to snowy mountains, eerie nightscapes, and industrial locations. Multiple routes through each level and perfect playful puzzles ensure exploration and ingenuity are rewarded. And last but definitely not the least, we have The Legend of Zelda Breath of the Wild. The game that mastered the open-world genre, The Legend of Zelda Breath of the Wild released on both the Wii U and Nintendo Switch in 2017. Since then, it's sold over 28 million copies. Forget everything you know about the Legend of Zelda games. Step into a world of discovery, exploration, and adventure in The Legend of Zelda Breath of the Wild, a boundary-breaking new game in the acclaimed series. Travel across vast fields, forests, and mountain peaks as you discover what has become of the Kingdom of Hyrule in this stunning open-air adventure. Other best-selling games, which are not far behind, would include Super Smash Bros. Ultimate on the Nintendo Switch, Wii Play, and Grand Theft Auto San Andreas. Have you played any of these games? Were you surprised about some of them? Or did you think other games would make the list? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to click the like button if you love this video. Hit the notification bell to be updated of all our future uploads, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. Visit our website at gaming.yugatech.com for more gaming news and reviews. Once again, this is Nico, and I will see you in the next video.